Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get rug cornbread. To achieve that wonderfully thin, crispy texture, the journey begins with your batter. You'll want a consistency much thinner than traditional cornbread, almost like a pancake batter. This allows it to spread out evenly and cook quickly. Using a fine ground cornmeal also contributes to a smoother, less crumbly result, which is essential for a delicate rug style. The right ingredients and their ratios are crucial for rug cornbread. For a standard batch, combine 1 cup of fine cornmeal with 1 cup of all-purpose flour. This blend helps create a sturdy yet tender base. Incorporate 2 teaspoons of baking powder for a subtle rise and 1 1/2 cups of buttermilk to achieve that signature tang and moistness. Finally, 2 tablespoons of melted butter will add richness and help with browning. Proper pan preparation is vital for that perfect crispy edge. Preheat your cast iron skillet to a scorching 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Once hot, add about 2 tablespoons of oil or bacon grease, letting it get shimmering hot. Carefully pour your thin batter into the center of the pan. Immediately, tilt and swirl the pan to spread the batter out as thinly and evenly as possible, covering the entire bottom surface. Baking is where the magic happens for that rug-like crispiness. Place your skillet in the preheated oven and bake for approximately 15 to 20 minutes. You're looking for a beautiful golden brown color across the entire surface, with the edges becoming deeply golden and wonderfully crisp. Once baked, remove it from the oven and let it cool for just a few minutes before slicing. Serve your rug cornbread immediately to enjoy its ultimate crispy texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.